Ducati has celebrated its 100th anniversary in spectacular fashion with the launch of the new Collection 100 range, a lineup of 10 special edition motorcycles inspired by some of the Italian manufacturer's most iconic machines from the past. Every model in the collection will be limited to just 100 units worldwide, making them highly exclusive. Each motorcycle in this range receives a unique heritage-inspired livery that pays tribute to an important chapter in Ducati's history. Alongside the custom paint schemes, every bike comes with a color-matched rear paddock stand, a certificate of authenticity, and a bespoke startup animation displayed on the TFT dashboard. Ducati has also included premium detailing across the lineup, including Alcantara or leather seats embroidered with the Ducati logo, bronze-finished front brake calipers, and a numbered metal plaque finished in matching bronze tones. Another standout feature is the introduction of a dry clutch on V2-powered models for the first time, adding an extra layer of exclusivity and mechanical theater to the limited edition machines. Leading the collection is the Panigale V4 R, which draws inspiration from the legendary 1972 750 Imola Desmo race bike. The Diavo V4 RS takes styling cues from the 1979 900 replica, while the Panigale V2 pays tribute to the classic 750 Supersport Desmo. Ducati has also reimagined the Street Fighter V4 with design inspiration from the 900 SD Dharma. Elsewhere in the lineup, the ex-Diavo V4 channels the spirit of the 750 Supersport, also known as the California Hot Rod, while the Monster references the iconic Monster S4 RS tricolor. The Scrambler model celebrates the original 250 Scrambler, blending retro charm with modern styling. The Hypermotard V2 SP receives a striking design inspired by the Ducati 860 race machine, while the Desert X honors the Panta Ice concept. Completing the collection is the Multistrada V4 RS, styled after the classic 500 SL Panta. With the Collection 100 range, Ducati has combined modern performance with historic design influences, creating a celebration of the brand's past while showcasing the latest generation of its motorcycles.